Welcome back to our maths class, children. Today we are going to continue with chapter 3 subtraction. Remember, we are all learning these days regrouping of subtraction. Today also we will do the same topic with some new and interesting questions. In exercise 3.2 today we will learn what numbers should be subtracted from and what numbers should be added to if we are given a set of numbers to subtract. Let's continue with the next video clip in which we will learn this new concept.
Today we are going to begin solving exercise 3.2 question 2 and 3. In question number 2, let us read what should be subtracted from 10,000 to get 6,750. It means we have to take away 6,750 from 10,000. Next question is what should be added to 3,456 to get 5,000. In this question also, whenever there is a question to find out what should be added to, we will subtract and find the difference between the given numbers so that we can get the addend. Let us take away 7 from 10. Children, how are we going to subtract 7 from 10? And think about the place where we are going to start with. We are going to start subtracting from the ones column first. Let us see the numbers in the first column. That is the ones column. 0 minus 7. Does 0 hold any value? No. 7 holds a value and 0 does not hold any value. So we cannot take away 7 from a 0. It is not possible. Let us borrow. We are going to borrow something from the tens place number. What is the tens place number? It is 1. So we are going to borrow from the tens place number 1 and increase the value here of 0 by borrowing tens. So 0 will be increased by 10 and 1 will be reduced by one number and hence it becomes a 0 here. Now take away 7 from this 10. It will be 3. Now let us check the tens column. 0 minus nothing is given here. Let's bring it down, or you may omit this if you want. So the value here is 3. The difference of 10 and 7 is 3. Let us take away 37 from 100. Let's write the place values and write the numbers under the correct place values and begin with ones column. In this question, children, learn that we have 0 at the ones place and we need to borrow a tens from this tens column, which is again not possible because it is a 0 here. So we are going to begin borrowing from the hundreds column number. Now 1 is going to be reduced by 1 and become a 0, and this 0 will be increased by 10. Now this 10 can give away tens to this 0 and this will be increased by 10 and this 10 will decrease by 1 and become 9. So we are going to take away 7 from 10, 3 from 9. Okay. So 10 minus 7 would be 3. 9 minus 3 would be 6. 0 has nothing to deduct from, so we will bring it down or leave it. So the number is 63 here. Now let us take away 327 from 1000. Remember, what are we supposed to do before writing the subtraction sentence? Yes. Let us write the numbers under their correct place values. Here, let us put the correct place values. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Remember, all the numbers should be placed under the correct place value column before addition or before subtraction. Now let us begin. How are we going to subtract? Children, think here. In the first number, which is given 1000, see the ones column. Here we have to take away 7 from a 0. Is it possible? No. Similarly, in the tens column, 0 minus 2. Can we take away 2 from a 0? No. Look at the hundreds column. Can we take away 3 from a 0? No. It means we have to borrow. And quickly guess, where are we going to start borrowing from? Everything here is a 0. Yes, we are going to start borrowing from the thousands column here, which is 1. Let us see how. Now let us start borrowing from the thousands place. This will be reduced by 1 and become a 0, and this will be increased by 10. Now this 10 will be reduced by 1 and become 9, and this will be increased by 10s. Again this will be increased by 10 because this will be reduced by 9 and give this a tens. Now the new number formed is 10 minus 7, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 3 and 0 minus nothing. Now 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6 and 0 minus nothing will be a 0, or you can also leave it. So the new number or the difference is 673. Now let us take away 3456 from 5000. Where are we going to begin borrowing from? Yes, from the thousands place, from 5. 5 will be reduced by 1 and become a 4, increasing the hundreds place 0 by 10. Now this 10 will be reduced by 9, increasing the 0 at the tens place by 10. Again this will be reduced by 1 and become a 9, finally increasing the 0 at the ones place by 10. Let us do it again. So the new number formed is 10 minus 6, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 4 and 4 minus 3. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 will be 5, and 4 minus 3 will be 1. So the difference is 1544. Let us take away 3968 from 10,000. Remember, we have to place the numbers under the correct place value columns before beginning subtraction. Let's arrange the numbers and check whether they are in the correct places or not. This is the ones column, tens column, hundreds column, thousands column, and 10,000 column. The first numbers are arranged in their correct places. Let us check out the next one, that is 3968. Remember to arrange the numbers in their correct columns. In 3968, it is only a 4-digit number, so it will be placed as ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands only. But in 10,000, we have 5 places, so they are placed under 5 places till 10,000. Okay? Let us see how are we going to subtract. Look at the ones column. We have to take away 8 from 0, not possible. 6 from 0, not possible. Taking away 9 from a 0, it is again not possible. Taking away 3 from a 0, it is again not possible to take away any bigger number other than 0 itself from a 0. So we have to borrow in such cases. Let us start borrowing from the 10,000s place. Which number is there at the 10,000s place, children? It is 1. So let us borrow from 1. 1 is going to increase the value of this 0. Then this will increase the value of this. And this will increase the value of this number. And finally of the ones place number. Let us see how. 1 will be reduced by 1 and becomes a 0. Number at the thousands place or this 0 will be increased by 1. Now again this is going to lend something at the hundreds place column number, which is 0 again. This will be increased by 10 and this will be reduced by 1 and becomes a 9. And now this will be reduced by 1, number becomes a 9, giving away a tens to this one. And finally ones place will be increased by 10, as tens place 10 will be reduced by 1 and becomes a 9. Now let us see what are the new numbers formed. Now we are going to take away 8 from 10, 6 from 9, 9 and 9 or 9 from 9, then 3 from 9. So 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 6 is, come on, guess it quickly. What is 9 minus 6? 3. 9 minus 9 would be a 0. And 9 minus 3 would be a 6. So the difference is 6034.